Hi, today I'll be talking about the last chapter in economics in the geography and economics textbook of 10th standard. So that is rights of consumers. So there was a Consumer Protection Act 1986. This act provided protection to consumers. There are different types of consumer rights. So first, right to safety, then right to choose, right to be informed, right to readdress, right to consumer education. So under right to safety, there is a safety from hazardous product. The consumer gets safety from hazardous product, adulterated product, and also right to clean air and water. Under right to choose, a consumer has right to choose from variety of products that are there in the market, and should not the consumer should not be coerced that to make a particular type of a choice. He or she can choose whatever they want. Then right to be informed is informed about the product. A consumer should know everything that goes in making the product, and that should be like ingredient list, etc., should be available with the label on the packaging, or even like what is the manufacturing date, expiry date. That all comes under right to be informed. The right to readdress is consumer has right to make complaint against the defective product that the consumer receives and seek compensation after that. Right to consumer education through NGOs, government program, means through NGOs or some government program, consumer can be made aware of the consumer education rights that are there for a consumer. Apart from the consumer's right, there is also consumer responsibility that comes into picture. Now, what are the consumer responsibility? It is consumer should be cautious they should take care while purchasing the product, be informed about product or services, reduce consumption, choose environment friendly alternatives, and conserve energy. Be aware of adulterated products, buy IAG mark hallmark products, guarantee or warranty card on purchase of goods, ask proper receipt on purchase of products. So these are the responsibility of the consumer that they should do whenever they are purchasing an item, be it a small item or a big item. Then under Article 14, it is right to equality. Article 19 is right to freedom. RTI is right to information. Now, consumer is a person who purchases goods plus services for personal use. Consumer courts are empowered to deal with consumer complaints. Consumer protection councils, they promote and protect rights and interests of consumers in society. Now, this is the like a flow chart how the consumer can, or who the consumer can approach. So first comes the district court, which then appeals to state commission, then this appeals to national commission, and then national commission can appeal to Supreme Court. Now in district court, the cases that are up to 20 lakhs are dealt, the product that are 20 lakhs up to 20 lakhs that are dealt in the district forum. Then between 20 lakhs to 1 crore is dealt in state commission, and above whatever is above 1 crore goes to national commission. 24th December is celebrated as National Consumers Day. Coming to consumer protection in Goa, it is at two levels, district level and state level. So under district level, there is District Consumer Dispute Redressal. So there are two forums, that is one in North Goa and one in South Goa. And under state level, the Goa State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. There are different consumer organizations, which is the last part of the chapter. Consumer organizations that are there in Goa are Consumer of Goa Society, that is at Miramar, Goa Consumers Association at Penjim, MAPSA Consumers Guidance Forum at MAPSA, Consumer Assistance and Research Center at Margao, Consumer Guidance Society of India, which is a Goa branch that is in Penjim, and Goa Civic and Consumer Action Network that is in MAPSA. So that's all for this chapter of economics.